Hi, this video is about L brackets. The shape of an L. So this video will talk about what's an L bracket, why would you want to use one, and how to attach it to your tripod. Typically, you mount your camera on top of your tripod in a horizontal landscape orientation. An L bracket allows you to mount your camera onto your tripod in a vertical portrait orientation. If you have a professional ball head like this one and your camera and lens combination is not too heavy, you can get by with shooting vertically by tilting your camera sideways. With heavier cameras or longer lenses or smaller ball heads, you can run into slippage problems, instability, and even blurry photos. Here's how you attach the L bracket to your camera. It's a simple set screw. You can use an Allen wrench to get it good and tight. These ridges will insert into the quick release adapter that's already on the top of your tripod. Then you can mount your camera horizontally or vertically on top of the ball head to get the most balance and the most stability. The article on the website gives you all the pros and cons of using an L bracket for your photography. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video.